Hello everyone, Randy here, and today we're going to be swapping out the breaker box or breaker panel in the barn here. Currently the breaker panel is full, 8 positions on it. We're going to be upgrading to a 20 slot panel here, just a little bit bigger. Surprisingly not that much bigger, maybe it'll probably take up about the full width of the board there. A little bit wider, we'll probably have to move the phone over, might have to shorten this pipe up a little bit too, I'm not sure how much up and down we have with that. Plug here will probably have to move. But overall it should be relatively quick and simple. Just take the wires from here, switch it to this box. You know, the main connections there to this box as well. Shouldn't be really that difficult. Probably not going to talk through much of it, just going to be recording it and either high speed it or something. We'll see how long it takes. But anyway, let's get started here. Obviously with this, we're not going to have power out here. We could run a extension cord from the house down here, but what we're probably going to do is use the generator. So if you hear that in the background, that's what's running. The generator outside, obviously. We need to run the generator, burn the gas out of it. So let's get started. anyway, we got it all finished and complete. I'm not sure how much you're able to see in the video there. I won't know until I go edit it up there. I know we were standing in front of the panel there quite a bit, so probably blocked some of the camera views. We got all the wires in. We did have one technical problem here. The old panel was a Cutler Hammer. This new panel is a Cutler Hammer series. However, different type of breakers, and I did not realize this. Apparently there's two different type of Cutler Hammer breakers. I'm aware of the fact there's different style breaker boxes, and breakers got to go with those breaker boxes, but I wasn't aware there's two type of Cutler Hammers. Apparently there is. So we had to stop and go get all brand new breakers for this box. Unfortunately, we were kind of debating, okay, do we get a different box here, or do we get new breakers? Ended up getting new breakers. Pretty much everything that was in the old box is in this box. We only added one breaker though, and that's for the plug that was up here for the garage door. Initially it was on with the shop receptacles here, and on the same breaker. Now it's on its own separate breaker. We plan on doing that for a couple more things here as well. One thing we have not wired in yet is the plug that was below here. It'll probably be beside it now because, as you can see, there's nothing under here. So it'll probably be next to it either. Yeah, it'll probably have to be this side, I guess, because this side is not much room. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Again, a Cutler Hammer series box, but apparently our old Cutler Hammer breakers didn't fit in it. Oh well. I will say this new style Cutler Hammer breaker, definitely like these a lot better. The other ones, you take the panel off and like half the breakers would fall out. These seat on very well. They're not coming off. So let's see what's here. Yeah, I think that's going to be about it. Don't worry, if you want to see more inside this panel, I'm sure you will, because we still got to add this yet. And then we plan on running probably at least one or two more breakers over for the shop receptacles there. So anyway, if folks have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching, and until next time.